People all over the world laugh in the same way, no matter what language or culture they speak. Laughing is a complex, automatic response that is controlled by the brainstem, the part of the brain that controls basic functions like breathing and heart rate. When we enjoy something or find something funny, our brains release chemicals like dopamine and endorphins, which make us feel good and happy. When this feeling of pleasure happens, the muscles in the face, diaphragm, and abdomen tighten, making the sound of laughter. But between cultures and languages, there are big differences in how laughter is shown and how it is taken. Different cultures have different rules and expectations about when and how it's okay to laugh, and these rules can affect how laughter is shown. For example, in some cultures, laughter may be seen as a sign of agreement or support, while in others, it may be seen as a sign of disrespect or rudeness. In some cultures, laughing is loud and outgoing, while in others, it is quieter and more reserved. So, even though everyone laughs in the same way, laughter can mean very different things in different languages and cultures. Laughter can also help us be more creative and come up with new ideas because it helps us see things from different points of view, find the funny side of problems, and think outside the box. If you want to find out the answers to the questions you've always had, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.